Hello dears, and welcome to the channel Benidorm by Anna, your ultimate guide to Benidorm, Costa Blanca and Spain. Right now it's evening time and we are in Rincon de Loix, the most British area here in Benidorm. Right next to Benidorm Palace, we start today's video and we'll head to check out the Rincon de Loix most famous bars. What's the atmosphere like there right now? First of all, right by the Benidorm Palace, there is a huge new business, which is a brand new McDonald's. I know not a lot of people are fans of it, not a lot of people visit it daily. However, sometimes for families with children, it's something special. You know, it's something that we've used to have as well when we were young. And some people do actually like to visit it at least once a month. And building it right next to a private school, which is here towards the right side, might be a quite good marketing strategy, isn't it? This McDonald's is open up until very late nighttime hours. And it's great if you want to grab some snack before you head back to the hotel. However, there are way more places here like Indian takeaway, kebabs, hamburgers, sandwiches, a lot more different options available for you guys. Even at this time, past 9 p.m., the buses are still running. Ooh, this was going fast. The buses are still running. There's quite a few people here down the streets. And this is the bus number 10 that came from Altea, Albir, Alfaz del Pi, and eventually through the Rincon de Loix up until the city center of Benidorm. This is the bus that connects several areas and it's very nice for traveling too. You can hop on and hop off in different places and it costs just €1.60 per way per person. If you get a 24 hours or 72 hours cards to use it on the touristic bus, city tour tourist bus that we filmed for you a couple of days ago, we will leave you linked a video here down below in the first comment. So if you'll use that card, you can use all the public transport as much as you want in between this time, as well as travel to Guadalest and Fons del Algar with the public bus service. So it's quite a great alternative if you love exploring surrounding areas. The typical supermarkets are still open, and up until winter time they will remain open till 10 p.m. more or less. The supermarket Mas y Mas, it's a typical Spanish supermarket, so the prices here are way more convenient than in usual 24-hour supermarkets and small markets that usually have a triple of a normal reasonable prices. So Mas y Mas is a place to go. However, it's not going to be the only one. Shortly, there's going to be a huge competitor rising up here in Rincon de Loix on this very street, just a couple of 100 meters from here. The pharmacy that is right here in Rincon de Loix is closed right now. It's not a 24-hour pharmacy, so you would need to search the one that is open 24 hours, or at least the one that is on guard today, as they call it here in Spain. By the closed pharmacies, there's always a list that shows you which one is open right now with the direction that you can put in your mobile phone and just search for it this way. And here is where the alley of the most famous bars actually starts. Tropical is a nice place. They have a lot of different shows. Lady Gaga and Benidorm tribute. That's nice. Look at that. Look at how many people there are inside. People are waving at us. Hi. People are happy. There's a lot of them watching the show actually inside. Very busy today, taking into consideration that Benidorm Pride is over, that it's mid-September already, but there's a lot of people here, even with luggages. Look at that. It's really busy today. And hotels also are quite busy. You can see on the terraces there's plenty of people, even though the peak season has passed. a lot of you are still coming to Benidorm. Here we have some nice food. This is a restaurant, wine bar slash snack bar slash a lot of different other types all in one. This is Sinatra's Premium, how they call it. Inside, obviously, big TV screens. It's something slightly different, of a different style. You have sofas, you have slightly more like cozy places to sit down. And obviously, they also have some entertainment. Slightly less people, but still quite busy, I would dare to say. Nearby, you have the Paddock. This is a sports bar, beers, friends as well. Amstel, €2 cost here. Carling, €3 for a bottle. The Paddock Sports and Entertainment is closed today. Sometimes they do put these days, which is Monday today, by the way. It's Monday and it was that busy with entertainment. Indian restaurant. If you've tried this restaurant, let us know what it was looking like. This is menu of the day, $14.95. Starter, main course, and then you have a drink with it. Actually looks quite all right, looks quite nice. They also sell kebab here, pizza and burgers all in one with different menus. If you've tried it, let us know and let other tourists know if it's actually good and if you would recommend coming here. Another fast food place. Here we have doner kebab for 50, wraps for 90, menu with drink and fries 7.50. That's actually quite a nice price. Some plates with a box as well, less than €10. That's not bad at all. Rock and Roll House. Oh my goodness, this is packed. people are having fun. This is packed right here. Look at that. There's some nice music going on. Doors must close at 11, they say. Well, it's still quite a few hours for it. Inside, it's absolutely packed. One night only, KBU2 Live Benidorm Thursdays. You have a lot of tributes here. You have a lot of shows going on. You can see all of them advertised on the entrance. Like, look at that. Elvis tribute as well. Wow, this is the busiest of all of the places, except for the first one, probably the Tropical, that we've seen here today. Crazy for Monday night. Another restaurant. This is a Chinese place. Chinese wok place. This is a wok buffet. $16.95. Children for height. Once again, they put height on here. I'm so not used to it. Usually it's by age if it's a child or adult. But here it's by height. That's very, very strange thing. But it is also quite busy. The corner bar quite closed today. A lot of people are taking the day off on Monday, but those who did not do so actually are doing quite well here in Rincon de Loix. All the hotels as well, we can hear some entertainment on the back that is happening in their cafeterias and terraces. It's still very, very busy. Hotels are not closing down anytime soon, by the way. They'll be closing down probably starting from November months, and not all of them. Many will remain open. On the left side, you have a zone where the brand new competitor of a Spanish supermarket, Mas here in Rincon de Loix, will be rising up. It's going to be right here in front of the Hotel Meliá Benidorm, and it will be a brand new Lidl. There is no Lidl in Benidorm so far. At least in this area, there is none, which is extremely useful, especially for those who are coming on self-catering. There's a lot of apartments and apart hotels here with kitchen that do provide you an option to cook for you during your holidays, or at least have some breakfast and then eat out, have lunch and dinner outside in many places. Very, very nice places, trying out typical Spanish food or any other style of food that you fancy. If you want to know where to go to try out best Spanish tapas on a budget without sacrificing the quality, then check out our tapas tours videos. I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist also here in the comment down below. But meanwhile, while we wait, Lidl should be here probably towards the end of this year, maximum beginning of next one, so winter time. and this will be a huge relief for everyone who are coming here on self-catering. Nearby, we have another Red Lion. This is Red Lion 2 that's situated in Rincon de Loix, and a very, very nice and famous Spanish place, which is Ideals, which is like Ideals. This is cafeteria and beer shop. They offer nice breakfast, takeaway, English breakfast. It's like a mix, a little bit of everything, plus obviously, as you can see, typical Spanish food. They don't have any night entertainment here as it is, but it's a very nice place where you can get cheap food and quite a good quality one. The Red Lion, at least the terrace from the first glance, does not look busy at all. They are putting, as usual, TV matches. They do have some shows going on. Okay, it's quite busy on the... Okay, it's all right. They do have some shows going on right now. And quite a few tables busy. That's good. Even here in Red Lion 2, Red Lion has not a good fame here in Benidorm. You all know about it. And if not, let our subscribers let you know here in the comments why Red Lion doesn't have a good fame. But this one, Red Lion 2, actually it's quite all right. And with all the shows going on, being slightly smaller, you know, it's a slightly different type. People are just waving. Slightly different type of entertainment. It's not as harsh. There's not as many people, you know, no security as it is on the British street. But still, there are some nice shows. And nearby, they've installed Mr. Chips, the place for some snacks like chips, etc. After you've had a wild night outside here in Benidorm in Rincon de Loix. So as you could have seen, a lot of nice bars, a lot of businesses are still open, and it's extremely busy for it to be Monday night. So don't worry, it's not gonna be empty if you're gonna come on holidays shortly. I'll see you in a new video. Bye.